Welcome to interest.co.nz's morning briefing of what's news here and around the world. Everything you need to start the day in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that the largest US bank, Citigroup, may have to declare another $15 billion in losses on subprime mortgages. That's according to Merrill Lynch's banking analyst. Then the head of Dubai's main investment fund let slip he expected Citigroup would have to raise a lot more money from investors to shore up its balance sheet. This is from a bank that's already raised $30 billion in cash. All this was enough to spook Wall Street again, which fell more than 1% overnight. In other overseas news, a couple of contradictory moves by central banks that our own Reserve Bank of New Zealand will be watching closely. Firstly, the Bank of Canada cut its official rate by a bigger than expected 0.5 percentage point to 3.5%. It said its own economy is doing okay, but it now sees a much bigger slowdown in its biggest neighbour, America, than it had previously forecast. It also commented it saw this slowdown in America having a significant effect on the global economy. But yesterday, closer to home, we saw the Reserve Bank of Australia actually increase its official interest rate by 0.25 percentage point to 7.25%. It is worried about inflation and the boost it's getting from commodity prices. Australia's official forecaster on agricultural and minerals forecast yesterday that total minerals and energy exports from Australia would rise 30% this year. That's up from 7% the previous year. However, the Reserve Bank of Australia's comments were seen as a bit more relaxed than previous comments, and that drove the Australian dollar lower overnight. Of course, our currency followed, no doubt helped by the government's new block on foreign investment. Our Reserve Bank will announce its decision tomorrow and is expected to keep rates on hold. That was 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. I'm Bernard Hickey for interest.co.nz.